unboxing.
Yes, we're unboxing this.
kitchen.
Make sure you're nice and loud.
Oh, Sarah, why don't you bring the mic? No.
The mics don't really work on the Android. I searched Android mic and it gave me that as the cheapest option. Maybe you shouldn't buy the cheapest option. Oh, you just need your fingers, see? So remember, always stay 5 feet away with a child with scissors. Sorry. Well, that is the, as you can see, child with scissors are, and I just broke it. Just kidding. Oh my gosh, it's styrofoam.
We cannot let any animal eat
No,
this.
do not.
We're very
Try to be very careful so we don't make the styrofoam.
I'll put on the
Okay, let's stop it.
She's beautiful.
Liz.
Put a styrofoam back in.
Okay, there's nothing in there.
Styrofoam is slow.
Is there anything else in the box?
I guess so. That's our unboxing now.
Get it. Oh, Lord.
Oh, wait, there might be something in here. There's nothing in here.
It's dry.
Did it like this? Get all that.
We did it. I mean, they did it. Huh? I'm almost done. Oh, it's beautiful.
What's in your hand?
Nothing in the box, man. Don't say anything. We didn't get scammed. See how beautiful it is. Oh, wait. Oh, look, it's a sink so you can wash your hands.
So you can wash dishes.
Thanks for watching. We're going to get all this set up and we'll probably make a review or something where we'll like use it and stuff. See y'all then.